What if I told you that learning science isn't just about memorizing facts? What if it's about becoming a detective? And what if it could actually be fun?
For a lot of us, just hearing the word science brings back memories of those really thick textbooks and feeling kind of intimidated. It always feels like it's just
Endless Radamar, right? Where you just have to memorize everything without really getting it.
yeah, just a boring list of facts and formulas with absolutely zero excitement. No fun at all.
Well, get ready, because that entire picture is about to change. Science class is getting a massive upgrade. The whole approach is shifting, we're moving away from that old style of just passively reading and into a new world where you are the one making the discoveries.
It's all about asking the most important questions. Why does this happen? How does that work? And where do we even find the answers? That, right there, is what real science is all about. And there's something brand new that's bringing this whole idea to life. It's perfectly named curiosity.
So, what is it? It's the new NCERT science textbook for grade 8. And trust me, it's designed to completely flip how you experience learning.
So what's the big deal? Well, for starters, it's packed with hands-on activities, so you can actually do science. It has sections to get you thinking like a real scientist, cool QR codes for extra fun stuff, and tons of real-world examples that connect everything to your life. This new way of thinking is a super simple 3-step journey. It all kicks off with you asking questions. Then you get to explore and experiment. And the best part, you're the one who discovers the answers. Because that's the big change right there. Real learning, the kind that actually sticks, happens when you're doing something, not just reading about it from a page. And get this, the textbook talks directly to you. It starts with this amazing message. Dear young scientists, your journey of exploration continues. So you see, this isn't just another textbook. It's an invitation. This is your chance to actually be a young scientist. So with this new way of learning, an entire universe is literally at your fingertips. And really, the only question left is, what will you discover?